So I'm going to take you back through the archives as I'm clearing out all this footage, and this was probably, I think, the first summer I had the R3, and I decided to have a little bit of fun. I had the R3 probably not even a year at this point. I'd updated my helmet, things along those lines, but this is way in the archives, and I decided to lean the bike over and got my first peg scrape, and as you can hear in the video, I get very excited, so enjoy.
That was fucking pig scrape, fuck! People say that I don't fucking ride my R3, bro. Bullshit.